Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Oldsmobile 442 Coupe with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. I filmed it at the Dallas-Fort Worth Mecum auction on Friday, October 31st, 2025, where it sold for $90,200. And I'll read you the seller's description. 55,334 miles showing on the odometer. And the 400 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, bucket seats and console, tachometer and gauges, power windows, wood grain steering wheel, rear wing, and color-keyed SS3 wheels. And also the sticker on the window showed it estimated selling price of $50,000 to $60,000, and it sold for $90,200, which includes the buyer's premium. So that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Oldsmobile 442 Coupe, 400 V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, bucket seats and console, tachometer and gauges, power windows, wood grain steering wheel, rear wing, and color-keyed SS3 wheels.
Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.